Hi guys, welcome to this very short video about the question how you can make long videos on the Kapwing video editor without any performance issues. So here you can see what I've been uploading and editing, and the total video source is very long. Here you can see the length of each clip, and the total is around 35 minutes. And so when you mark everything here on the Windows File Explorer and drag it to the right side here and upload it, to a new project, empty project, doesn't matter if you just drag it here or drag it to the timeline directly, the editor will totally freak out. It will take hours till you see anything usually, and even then usually everything is just gray. The audio will be gray, the video, like the preview, will be gray, and even worse when you start using the smart cut, and especially the smart cut at the beginning right on all the clips, because it will create then too many layers, maybe 100, 200, 300 layers. For every clip, for every cut, it will produce an additional layer, and so this is not going to work even if you're willing to wait for hours or days or weeks. Usually it will be just stuck and then not proceed no matter how long you wait. I have seen this over and over, and the final solution was then just to use a standalone video editor because it was not working. The thing is that the end result of this video, of this 35-minute source, is then only around 6 minutes, which is not a problem actually for the Kapwing video editor. But when you come from a source, very long source like 35 minutes, and you have to cut and reduce and do really a lot of cutting, then it's too much. But it's only too much when you do it in one step. As you can see, I'm doing a similar thing here. I've uploaded this about 15 minutes ago, and you can see it's still working on that. And imagine if I start, now we can see that. But when we start using Smart Cut, then usually it will go totally crazy. So what's the solution? What I have done here is I started with the first clip, marked it, and then was just dragging it here and started using the Smart Cut and finished the first clip, and then took the next one, dragged it here, use Smart Cut. And the second advice is don't do longer clips at once with the Smart Cut. Here I have one piece which is 5 minutes, and I'm a little bit skeptical that it will really work. So what I'm doing here, I cut it here in areas where I see some silence. I see one here and see one here. So every part is only 1.5 minutes. I click here and do the Smart Cut here, and that's no problem then. And only when I'm finished with this part here, I do the Smart Cut of this part, so I never have too many unfinished clips. It was absolutely no problem. I've been working on this project for maybe an hour, a little bit more than an hour, and it was absolutely awesome. Almost absolutely no performance issues. So this is my recommendation at the moment. Maybe they will improve this over time so we don't have to deal with these problems anymore, but at the moment really this is my best advice. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.